Hi and welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are going to see Neivedhyam dishes for day 7 of Navarathri. A black Channa Sundal, also known as the Karuppu Sundal, and a Badam Mundhiri Payasam. Let's first see how to make the black Channa Sundal. I have washed and soaked 1/3 of a cup of black Channa for 6 hours. Cooked it for 2 whistles with salt. Let's go on to the tempering. In a hot pan, add a teaspoon of coconut oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of jeera, some broken red chilies, curry leaves, a pinch or 2 of Asafoetida, saute it, add the cooked black chana, saute it well, add some more salt if required. I have here Idly chili powder, that is Molagaipodi. I'm adding half a tablespoon of it. This gives a nice spicy kick to the sundal. Saute it. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and switch off the flame. Our yummy black Channa Sundal is now ready. Let's see how to make the Badam Mundhiri Payasam. I have taken 15 pieces of cashew and 15 pieces of badam, soaked it in hot water for 30 minutes. Remove the peel from the badam and transfer them to a mixie jar. Let's grind them into a coarse paste with some milk or water. Here is the ground paste. Let's see how to make the payasam now. In a hot pan, add 2 teaspoons of melted ghee and add the ground paste. Saute it for around 4 to 5 minutes till the raw smell goes away. And add 2 cups of milk. Mix it well. Make sure that the paste does not form any lumps anywhere. The grainy texture of the paste will render a badam kheer kind of consistency. I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar, some elaichi powder, a pinch or 2 of saffron. Let this come to a good boil. Our rich and tasty Badam Mundhiri Payasam is now ready. Let's enjoy our Navratri with God's blessings and of course our yummy tasty dishes from Diced and Spiced. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.